sige po.
Okay. So, anong pakiramdam?
Parang high pa din, ma'am.
Hi ka pa rin.
Yes.
Yes,
Parang
ba?
hindi pa nagsisink in. Siguro pag nakuha na yung PR card, saka ko talagang
Eh,
makikits yung
kailangan mo pang hintayin yung PR card ha? Bakit may plano ka bang umuwi?
Pero, opo, yun po agad yung plano namin ni
Yeah.
mother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, kasi
Very
6 years
nice.
din.
I know, 6 years na hindi ka talaga umuwi?
Opo, diretso po
Ah,
yun.
okay. So, ano nga ba yung papel mong pumunta dito noon? Estudyante, ano?
International student po, yes.
Okay, so international student ka, tapos nagkaroon ka ba ng PGWP?
Hindi po, ma'am. Kasi sa
Oh,
isang DLI, ano po kami nun eh. Kaya nag-ano po
okay.
ako nun, caregiver.
Okay.
LMIA, yeah.
So yeah, alam ko yon. Okay, so during that time, kailan ka nawalan ng status? I wanna know that.
Kasi nung nag-student po ako, we started like extending the student permit and then going straight to LMIA, caregiving
Mm-hmm.
work
Yeah.
permit.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos nawalan po ako ng status nung natapos yung work permit ko January 2024.
Wow, 2024.
Yeah.
So isang taon na no na walang
Yes.
isang taon na para kang NPA, parang NPA.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi ngayon, I wanna do this sa mga taong nakakakuha ng permanent residency. I know na nandyan ka na, you will gonna be starting to shine. But
Yes.
this is very important sa akin kasi gusto kong ma-inspire ang tao. And alam mo naman, lagi akong nang i-inspire ng tao, kasi ang dami kong tawag na parang nawawalan na sila ng pag-asa because of the mga restrictions, yung
Yeah.
mga bagong rules. Napakahirap sa kanila dahil may pamilya pa sila. At least ikaw, single ka.
Apo.
But at the end of the day, I want to inspire people with whatever I'm getting right now. I will use all those things para lang ma-inspire yung mga tao. And um, nung time na, I believe, ay, kagaya mo rin yung isang kong nakausap na nakakuha rin ng kanyang papel. Mayroon kang kaya sa Pilipinas, may choice ka, I should say, di ba?
Yeah.
And then you came here, umalis ka sa comfort zone mo. And then
Yes.
kung tutuusin, kayang-kaya mong magbuhay donya sa Pilipinas. Kung tutuusin, but hindi yun yung pinili mo, ano? I remember
Mm.
ano na nga ba, bakit nga I was questioning you noon eh. Bakit ka
Yeah.
umalis sa comfort zone mo? Ano na nga ba yung reason nun sa'yo?
Self-growth po, tsaka career growth din po. Kasi yun nga po sa Pilipinas, nasanay po na laging, hindi naman sa spoon feeding, pero laging andyan, available lahat ng resources, ganyan. So parang gusto ko ng challenge. So
Wow.
nung nakita ko yung cousin ko po na pumunta din dito, yung mom ko na rin po yung nag-pursue na why not try to go to Canada and pursue
Your
your
dream.
career there, yeah.
Your career here. Okay.
Yeah. So,
To the
tsaka nung
point.
time din po kasi na yun, parang mahirap na rin, yung sa career ko po, mahirap na sa US. So, parang naghanap din
Oh.
kami ng
Mhm.
alternative
Mhm.
way for me to go abroad. So, yun,
Yeah.
nag-open up yung sa Canada, sa international student, ganyan. So,
Mhm.
yun,
Mhm.
unti-unti naman na po,
Product ka
nakasurvive
rin
naman.
pala. Yeah, product ka rin pala ng another international student.
Yes.
Right now napakahirap. Sa totoo
Oo
lang. I
nga
don't
po
even
eh.
encourage anybody to come here as a student. Pero
Mm-mm.
kung nandyan na yung opportunity, andyan na yung nangyari na whenever I get my consultation. Pag narinig kong estudyante ang nakabayad na sila ng tuition fee and they wanna retain me, I had no other choice. Pero pagka hindi pa sila nakaka-get in, I discourage them right away because it's difficult. You
Yeah.
know what you've gone through. Hindi madali.
Mm.
Magasto, hindi madali at the same time. Pero you know what? At the end of the day, that's worth it kapag ka naging professional ka na dito sa Canada, especially yung profession mo, di ba?
Yes po.
So, hindi na kita patatagalin pa dito, pero I'm so happy. Sayang hindi ko narinig yung promise mo sa akin na the moment makukuha mo yung permanent resident mo,
Yes.
ako yung unang-unang tatawagan mo.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I was in my
It's okay
meeting,
po.
but
Naisip ko rin po na baka busy rin po kayo that time. Pero
yeah,
yun nga.
I was in my meeting and
Yeah.
alam mo naman kung minsan I was really really swamped. Pero I get back naman sa'yo especially pagka importante.
Mm.
There are times na a lot of you guys napawala na yung status or ang tagal-tagal lang naghihintay. Alam niyo yung tipong ibibigay niyo sa akin lahat yung ano, yung burden. Honestly, that's what I feel. I notice
Yeah.
worried na ako, mababaliw na ako,
Mm-mm.
uuwi na lang ako. Yung mga words na yun, although it's not part of, my job,
Yeah.
nakakaano rin yun, nakaka-push din sa akin yun na, oh my God, nakaka-pressure. Mahirap
Yeah.
din. So, may mga taong kagaya ninyo na, I mean, I'm not saying na ikaw, pero talagang with my job, they wanna hear my inspiration. They wanna hear my
Mm.
encouragement. And if I don't talk, if I hindi ako hindi alam mo 'yan, pag hindi mo ako narinig, siguro 1 day or 2 days, nag-ano na kayo, nag-aalala na kayo eh. So,
Yes po.
hindi talaga pwedeng absent ako sa inyo. So,
Mm.
that's the thing. So, I want you to inspire people, kung po pwede. Kasi I know,
Sure.
eventually, etong situation na to, this is the start for you to shine in Canada. You're so young. Sabi ko nga sa'yo noon, you're so young. And andyan yung support ng family mo, especially si mom mo. I really
Mm.
appreciate that. And I really wish na ganyan din ako sa anak ko kasi nga wala naman kaming magagawa as parents eh. So can you
Opo.
inspire people dito sa Canada yung mga nawawalan na ng pag-asa? Galingan mo ah.
Oh, sige po. So, bale, sa mga tao po na nawawalan ng pag-asa, kapit lang po. Kasi just like Miss Norilyn, na consultant natin, she always makes a way para makapag-stay tayo and para hindi po mawalan ng pag-asa. Kasi katulad ko na, yeah, a year ako naghintay and even dun from the application date until dun sa mga susunod na steps,
Mhm.
more than a year din kami naghintay noon.
Yeah.
Pero
Ang
through
dami pang
prayers
ginawang
and
pasikot-sikot.
yes, ang dami ng tawag sa IRCC and minsan nakakatakot na rin kasi minsan wala din silang update na maibigay pero through the support of your family, through the support of
Yeah.
the people who wants to help you, like yun nga po kayo po, Miss Noreline. Kahit yung simpleng bagay lang na tiyaga lang, yung mga sinasabi niyo pong tiyaga lang, hintay lang, darating din yan. Nakaka-uplift ng spirits po yun kasi
Talaga?
tingnan niyo naman, oo, kasi parang kasi pressure din po kasi ako nung time na yun. Kasi kahit si mother nagtatanong na wala pa bang balita. So wala rin akong mabalita sa kanya.
Mhm.
So in your simple way lang po na through those simple words nakaka-uplift na ng spirits kasi kahit papano, oo, kapag sinabi ni Miss Norilyn may pag-asa at maghintay, maghintay lang. So ito na tayo. PR na.
Yes, PR ka na. Tapos eto
Thank you,
pa, 'di ba,
Lord.
yung sinasabi mong update, nakuha mo na ba yung ano yun, yung nakuha mong ano yun sa profession mo?
Yes po. Yesterday morning din po, yun po yung mas naunang nakuha ko, yung from the Canadian Alliance of Physiotherapy.
Wow.
Parang nakakuha na ako ng go signal to set my exam date. So, yun na yung parang
Kaya
go
mo yan,
signal
ikaw
na,
pa.
oh my gosh, this is my year.
Yes, this is your year.
Yes.
And you're so
Thank
young.
you
Yeah,
na.
sa totoo lang, you're very, very young. And ilang taon ka na nga ba ngayon? I'm sorry.
Mag-34 po sa
34.
April.
Okay, you're
Yes.
still young.
Yes.
You're still
Kakayod pa.
young, okay? So, yeah, I think that is a beautiful encouragement sa mga tao. I'm actually sabi ko nga I'm recording this because I wanted to show to everyone na may pag-asa pa rin kahit na nawalan. Kasi kayo pare-parehas kayo. Hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang talaga yung kausap ko kanina na si Christine. Lahat kayo nawalan ng status eh. And ang
Mm-mm.
dami nyo. And I think I become better kasi I ended up handling those difficult cases. And malakas yung loob ko kasi eh. And I know naman I'm doing all this lakas ng loob because I actually want you to get that. Especially when I heard na yung profession mo, you're so young. I know you can do better than what you have right now. Honestly.
Yes.
And I've
Thank you
seen that
po.
to many, many of you. At least it's my legacy. Whatever I've done, well, of course, I make money with my profession. That's
Mhm.
for sure. But at the end of the day, if I'm not strong dun sa aking financial condition, I cannot do all these things, yung palakasan ng loob. So,
Mhm.
I think that's one of those things na mayroon ako na wala sa iba. Kung ako ikaw, yung iba sa akin, ikaw na marinig ko yung situation mo,
Opo.
ang sasabihin ko sa'yo, umuwi ka na lang. Yun ang shortcut ng mga professional na consultant at saka lawyer. Hindi lahat, pero yun yung lagi kong naririnig right now.
Mm. Yes, sa inyo po kasi you always find a way
Yeah, I
na
always
kahit
find a way.
papaano,
Yeah.
kahit
Sabi nga
papaano, we'll
nila,
survive this together.
yeah,
Parang gano'n.
yeah, we're all in this together. Buti na lang hindi pa ako pinatalsik. Imagine yung we're all in this together, yung alam mo na, yung nag-resign.
Yeah.
Parang hindi pa, marami pa akong gagawin. Every morning, lagi akong nagpapasalamat kay Lord na, Lord, I'm getting up right now. I know you're gonna use me again, my talent kasi I believe, I think I admit that God has given me a talent na
Yeah.
wala sa iba. And
Mm.
hindi ko sinabing genius ako, hindi ko rin sinabing smart ako or whatever, but I have a talent na talagang nakakatulong talaga sa na makatulong dun sa future ng isang tao. And that's what I'm doing right now. And
Yep.
I'll continue to do that. I hope that one day I could be able to
Yes.
impart sa family ko and they can continue doing all these things. So I know you're tired and I believe you're gonna be more tired kasi magiging busy ka pa more. But right
Yes.
now, Ja, thank you so much. Sa totoo lang, salamat sa trust, salamat sa lahat ng, ng pagtitiwala. And
Apo.
I'm glad that you've respected me. At the same time, you did not judge me na dahil napakatagal na nung papel.
Mm.
Kasi may mga ganong tao eh. But this thing,
Apo.
I really appreciate your respect, and I believe I have to give the comment to your mom kasi she raised a person who knows how to respect other people.
Thank you po. No, Miss Norilyn, I thank you. Kasi, di ba, nilakad mo lahat all throughout
I
this
know, ginawa ko lahat ng
waiting times,
actually lahat ng
obstacles.
sabihin mo, I have to do it. Kasi if I don't do it, sasabihin mo sayang sana kung what if na fail tayo tapos hindi ko ginawa. Then at the end of the day, I'm just following your direction. 'Di ba? Whenever you have an idea, you will gonna tell me, "Oh, nga no,
Yes,
pwede."
ma'am.
Kung minsan pa nga, maintain your status, maintain your status. Nakakalimutan ko na kayong lahat na mami-maintain talaga na you
Opo.
need to get that tourist visa kasi wala na kayong status. Yung mga yon, whatever you've done, every single thing of this, that is the reason why you got easily yung permanent residency. Walang questions, walang procedural fairness because we did it everything
Yes, we
in
did it
proper.
together.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you. Magpahinga ka na and
Sige po, ma'am.
salamat and I don't know if I will ever see you. Hindi pa
I
tayo
will see you. I'll
nag-friend.
make a way to see you, Miss Norilyn. I'll make
Okay
a
siya.
way.
All
We
right. So
have to
just
meet.
basta lang, give me a shout lang, okay?
Okay po.
All
Thank
right,
you po. Have a good
congratulations
night.
ulit.
Thank
PR ka
you.
na.
Congratulations to us.
Congratulations to us. Yes. Have a good night and
Have a good
have
night din
a
po.
peaceful night. That's for sure. Thank
Thank
you. Okay.
you.
Good night.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.